Alright, last second decision to do a reaction. Here we go. Matt Crafton is not going to make that corner. Somehow they're making it through. Right as I say that, I see someone in the back body slam someone else, but they're fine. This is absolute chaos, and I love every second of it. You know, it would be funny if Ben Rose made a mistake right now. You know what? Actually, no. It would be even funnier if his tire went down. Come on, Sheldon. Just don't let, oh, there's Haley Deegan. That's a rip for her, but don't let Ben Rose, but we're gonna get a caution. We're gonna get another caution. She's stuck in the grass. In the mud, I should say. Let me get my drink up there. Alright, heading through the, oh, he hit the grass! It'd be funny if he tore a splitter up. It's Rhodes, Creed, and John Hunter Nemechek, and then a pretty good gap back to fourth of Todd Gilliland. Creed closing the, I think they're just gonna wait to throw the caution unless Haley Deegan got unstuck. Rhodes gingerly through. Creed right there on his tail. What about Rhodes? Vince? Not only does come on, Sheldon. The corner, oh, they're wrecking in the back. There's the white flag. This race is official. We'll see which flag ends it. Will it be yellow or checkered? Most likely yellow, but there is a chance for the checkered flag being waved. Creed chasing Ben Rhodes. Rhodes won last week right here at Daytona on the oval, trying to become just the third driver to win the first two races in the NASCAR Truck Series. Oh my. I think Ben Rhodes pretty much has this one. Yeah, it's over with. Well, it ain't over till it's over, I guess. He just locked up his tires big time there. Ooh, imagine he just runs out of fuel. This is gonna end up being like the Clash, isn't it? Who's that on the apron? Is that Haley? She's out of the way. They're fine. And then a bus stop. You know, it'd be funny if he did the same thing again here. Nope, he didn't. Not funny, Ben Rose. You suck. But GG's, I guess he did technically earn this win. Oh, there's the caution. There's the caution. So yep, Ben Rhodes got it won. What even brought the caution out though? GG's to Ben Rhodes. I don't like him, but gotta give it to him. He earned this win. He earned the win last week on the oval. So, yeah, GG's. What is the caution out for? We were literally coming into the chicane. What happened that was so significant for them to throw the caution out right before? I mean, it doesn't make a difference, but I'm just curious to see, like, why they threw it so quickly. Like, they were right there from the line. Just all they had to do was go through the chicane and they would have been done. But you know, GG's to Ben Rhodes, as I said. I don't like him, but gotta give it to him.